Hi guys, it's Nika with Apollo Sprayers, and today I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot your gland seal. So your gland seal is actually this mechanism right here in your spray gun, and sometimes you'll notice that when you're spray tanning a client, solution might start to leak from this section of your spray gun, and I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot that. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure that the solution is cleaned off of your spray gun, because if there is excess solution, it can cause this to get dirty, and you want to make sure your gland seal is always clean. So in your Apollo kit that does come with your T5020, you are going to grab your wrench, and that's going to be in our little goodie bag. And in here, we got this guy. It does have two sides. We are going to be using the smaller side of this. And what we're going to do is that we are going to just find the gland seal nut right over here, and we are going to do very small quarter turn to the right to slowly tighten our gland seal. And this is very important that it's quarter turns and we don't do full turns, because there is a possibility of our needle getting stuck, which basically just means that if you were to pull this trigger back, it would get stuck and it would lock right here, just letting your solution get everywhere. So to avoid that, we want to make sure that we do quarter turns, and after every quarter of an inch we'll just spray again. And then if we do notice any leaking, we want to make sure that we clean off that excess spray tanning solution, doing another quarter turn again with the smaller side of your wrench that is in your Apollo kit. And then after a while it should stop leaking because you've gotten it to a tight point, and then you should no longer have a leaking gland seal. Thank you guys so much.